In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDFs in Bluebeam. If you've ever needed to combine drawings, reports, or scanned pages into a single tidy document, this process will make it quick and reliable. We'll keep it simple and stick to the built-in insert workflow so you have full control over where each PDF lands. Start by opening Bluebeam Revu. Give it a moment to load your toolbars, then open the first PDF, the one you want to use as your base. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting that main document. It's a good idea to confirm it's the correct file and take note of its page count, since that helps you choose where to insert the other pages. With the base PDF open, go to the top menu and choose Document, then Insert, and then from File. This tells Revu that you want to bring pages in from another PDF. A file browser will appear. Navigate to the folder where your other PDFs live. You can select a single PDF, or if you're merging several, select multiple at once. Selecting them together helps keep everything in one pass. If you're working with files that have similar names, look closely at the preview or file names to make sure you've got the exact ones you need. Next, choose where to insert the pages. You'll see options to place them before or after a specific page in your base document. Think about the flow you want. Do these pages belong at the very beginning, tacked onto the end, or slotted between existing pages? If you're not certain about a page number, glance at the page numbering in your open PDF to make sure you're choosing the right spot. Pick before or after, then specify the page you want to anchor to. When you're satisfied with your selection and placement, click OK. Revu will process the insert and merge the chosen PDF pages into your base file exactly where you told it to. Depending on the size and number of pages, this may take a moment. Once it's done, scroll through your document to confirm the order looks right and that nothing is missing. That's the entire merge workflow using Insert from File. It's straightforward, precise, and ideal when you need to place pages in specific locations. As a best practice, once everything looks correct, save your document so the changes are preserved. And if you're working with important originals, consider saving a copy so you keep an untouched version for reference. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to merge PDFs in Bluebeam with confidence and control.